Hey Number Lab crew, let's break down this expression. Step by step, here's the sum. Step 1. Do the brackets first. Inside the brackets, we have the following. 3 times 2 is, well, 3 times 2 is 6. So now we write it like this. Step 2. Multiply everything in the brackets by 4. That gives us. Now plug that back into the original expression. Step 3. Add like terms. So final simplified expression is. And that's your answer. And there you go, someone. Done and dusted. Keep going at your own pace, and remember, even the toughest problems can be solved step by step. You've got this.